friend me Ajua searching Mesrel. Now was subscribing to my channel. Me notification bell also for more news.
A school for ministers ni MPs ma more local for no go no some be free, you will pay school fees. It's going to be an international school. Be only any papa could in Sabe Shas only. What knowledge have they got in governing a country? What knowledge about education or could to a bomb again for Ghana? I'm telling you to move. They say Mahama to be able to even add any 1 megawatt to Ghana electricity, we are still going to go back into doom. Champagne 4 years ago, near doom light my own I'm saying what you are egu. And then who call Kujan Maka say a Yezu is that what about them? What about them? What about them? This has nothing good. Who they say NDC winning? Investors be free your mind in investors they be free your mind in. See how Nigerians were praising this country. See, Ghana, the dialysis near Yinaka. I'm telling you, from today,
I'm on reset. I'm on reset. I'm on pay upgrade. I'm on reset.
Mr. Felix, me say, Odio perform baby from today, Ecosi 7th of January, Akufo-Addo is going to cancel that policy. That free dialysis, no, cancel no. They need to cancel that free dialysis, because Ghanaians don't want good for themselves. Approach here saying, how much do we pay for dialysis? How much do we pay for the cost of kidney failure? We didn't buy kidneys. Any idea? When
For
you
the
free,
first
we
time,
start the money free more
MPP
pay.
lose Western region.
I'm
You see that?
telling you.
For the first time,
I'm telling you.
MPP lose Western region. Hey.
Wrong. Na enya asem yen kana me say Ghana for ya adwene da form ye titia so anko obi ti say A+ etimi win election. A+.
Because we MP na we your ho eh JJT obi antumi ma wani mu a ombe yi kwase ama na be di anim. Tin sa na tie.
You know what I'm seeing now? I'm picturing how the Parliament House is going to be. Send your Parliament
The
there.
Parliament House is going to be full of NDC colors. Ombe jiwo ni na mo Parliament.
Looking how it's going to be there. Because first time the issue of Ghana, I think NPP is going to go minority. I'm telling you. NPP is going to go minority. Aden. See how long people have been working, telling you people the grants are weak, go down. So Mustafa Salam, actually, I'm not enough get to see idea, convince a man for. Ooh, Nanabia, we organizer, you couldn't even organize a group of dogs.
Oh, okay.
Nanabi, we organizer, you couldn't even organize a group of dogs. Now we do and then I would go there and work. I will phone say, Pasasem Kwana Udi, Obia, your youth organizer or a national organizer, what Danny MC in our to boy. Are you mad? Are you mad?
Independent need for no.
Like, on my penny before the catcher, say, they see my pencil, no mamma may be in Sibium. I shall tell you, you people were there, and I'm not in any one baby, and one baby, at the end of the day, who loses? Who loses? Now, may change, I'm will be about say, and them number 2 yet, and I am number 2 yet, and then look at the turnout. The numbers a quote a cocoa to about.
Turnout was very low. They didn't vote. They didn't come out to vote. They didn't come out to vote, bro.
First time in the history of Ghana, Asem Central, NDC renew Asem Central. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So,
Because
you know
Asem
what I'm
Central,
saying?
Papa no. Asem Central, Papa no catch them. So Obama must show down. No, it show down.
So, like,
Obama must show down.
but just one political party. Even within the crowd, even within the crowd, there is no unity. Within the political party called MPP Nankasa, there is no unity. There is no unity. Look at internal elections, how we dismantled ourselves, how we dirty ourselves. Kese ni yesi ye ho fi. Kese ni yesi ye ho fi.
Constituency ọmọ tó bí ẹyẹ bí.
Kese ni yesi ye ho fi. Yes, swame. How can NPP get 223 or swame? Na NDC any 170. That pain is hard you say. Komepe any ayi North Town near you okoshe. NDC timina be 300 na NPP. Me say first time in the history. I will give thanks to Northern Regions. Baby Abawumia, you know one. I will give thanks to them because they showed their loyalty. Up to NPP timina 300 na NDC nya 0. This is what we're talking about loyalty. This is what we're talking about. No, the almost person almost the eba. Almost person almost the eba. I can for we didn't turn out at all. This same thing happened.
Before no question turn out, my men find Satan from Muslims didn't turn out. I'm telling you, bro. And the Muslims who turned out, they went and voted for John Dramani Mahama. Men are making but home him someone or homo bomb bro. But there be no person with the Muslim bar. On Becca's and Crawford who do Amoka to Momutia there than a beba. It's one person, I'm a person who has spare tire. Yes, we are saying, yeah, the mobile to spare tire. Wow, company said, if we ask the Becon, because spare time, I'm open. When you're correct,
Come on in here. No, you people need to make that ben Muslim only the intimidant. Ndi nkwasi asɛm a asɔfoɔ no bɛkae nyaa mama no ayɛ adwuma sɔfoɔ kwasɛm bɛkɔ akɔtena aka sɛ deɛ meme kaeɛ ne na abɛm meanwhile no sɔfoɔ no onim hwee
fine.
so ɔhu
So for me,
Ghana no na wonte sɛ ɔwu so bɛmpa start me
why
manka manka
on found no so no so we on your sofa. So no
ɛne
yes so
ayi
say Yankopon kran kasa kro no no obese dem ayen Yankopon de.
Ebenezer nso gyina sɛ see a kind like it's stupidity at the end of the day no ɛwɔ sɛ Ghana ni hu sɛ wohia ni no na wode sikani ba woba ɛne sikani ba te class na wo na wote fanti akwa no ɔfene bɔdɔm ase no sɛ wobɛtumi anya 1,500 akɔ akɔtua wo ba school fees a yɛbɛhwɛ sɛ nso sɛ ɛyɛ ɔma adwene sɛ ɔmo ba bɛfrɛ ɔmo abusuafoɔ wɔ aburokyire na ɔma gye school fees a ɛno nso yɛbɛhwɛ yɛde ɔma ani wom yɛ ɔma ani wom
I read. Because you as amba.
kyerɛ executives executives from national chairman ɛba bɛsi nipa mihu sɛ ɔyɛ active ɛyɛ Mustapha Salam Asam ɔmo maka nyinaa bɔtee John Boadu even John Boadu kura ɔnyɛ executive no kora hwɛ dwuma na ɔyɛ hwɛ John Boadu deɛ na ɔyɛ yɛnya Justin Kodua you people are doing press conferences instead of you to go house to house and tell people to go out and vote you are there doing press conferences mo yɛ NDC for